If you're new to affiliate marketing or online marketing for that matter, you've probably heard about high ticket offers, but aren't sure how to make them work in your business, or maybe you don't have a high ticket offer to make. Today, I'm going to show you why you need them and 2 strategies you can use to sell them in your business, and they work. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. And on today's video, I'm going to show you why you need high ticket offers, how they can change your business, and 2 strategies you can use to sell them. So what are high ticket offers? Let's get that sorted up front. Whether you're selling affiliate offers or your own products, high ticket offers generally represent sales of products at $500 and above. Now, there's no absolute rule on the dollar amount. Some will say it's $1,000 and above. But for this video, let's assume that we're talking about sales of $500 and above. Next thing I want to touch on before getting into the strategies is the reason why you want to have high ticket offers in your business. Now, you probably got into or are thinking of getting into the online business world because you want the laptop lifestyle you hear so much about. And I'm not going to lie, it's a great lifestyle, being able to work when you want, from where you want, on what you want. It's a great way to live. But don't be misled by what you hear in some places. It still requires work and particularly inspired action. And it also requires some key elements to your business. And one of those is high ticket offers. The reason being is that relying on generating an income, a sustainable income, from sales of small priced offers is a whole lot harder and in reality not sustainable. Think about the maths for a minute. And look, I love numbers, so this is easy for me to understand, but it's not always something new marketers spend the time to understand. If you want to make $10,000 a month and your most expensive product is priced at $100, then you're going to need to sell 100 products a month every month to achieve your goal of $10,000 per month. Now, if you have a product that sells for $1,000, then the simple maths are that you need to sell 10 of them per month to achieve your monthly goal. Now, some people would have said you only need to sell 10, but that's a little simplistic and misleading. While the maths make sense, and it's a lot easier to sell 10 people than 100 every month, the facts are that you still need those lower value items in your product ladder in order to achieve the 10 sales of the higher value product. What I mean by that is that before you can sell someone a $1,000 product, you need to have developed the know, like and trust factors with your potential buyers. That is, they're not going to buy a $1,000 product from you before they know who you are, they like what you do and say, and they trust you and trust that you'll deliver them value. So the good news is when you have a combination of both low and high ticket offers, you can achieve your monthly income goals a lot more simply. The other reason that you need high ticket offers in your product ladder is that, particularly in the beginning, the sales of the high ticket offers will help fund your advertising spend that you need to grow your business. If you're only offering products that range from, say, free to $100, your capacity to reinvest in your advertising is very limited, which will limit your capacity to grow. What I did at the beginning was every time I made a high ticket sale, I'd use that money to increase my ad spend. The more high ticket sales came in, the more I was able to increase my ad spend to get the monthly goal income quicker. Again, it comes back to simple maths. The more you can spend on advertising and growing your business, especially at the beginning, the quicker you'll get on to the desired monthly income that you've set for yourself. Okay, so let's take a look at how you can sell a high ticket offer. Now, I've got 2 options for you. I've used them both, they both work, and they both have a place in your marketing strategy. The first one's called the Product Launch Formula, or PLF, which was created by a mentor of mine, Jeff Walker. You'll have seen this system many times if you follow enough people online, because all the big gurus in the online world have learned this system from Jeff. Even Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi have used this system. The basis of the PLF sales strategy is that you produce 4 pieces of content, normally videos, that take people on a journey with you, that build the know, like and trust factors throughout the process. Each of the videos, it can also be pages with ebooks or some other resource, but generally video is more effective, where each video introduces a story arc where a pain is discussed and a solution to that pain provided before a new pain is mentioned at the end, which is then solved in the next video. The fourth video is a sales pitch for your product, which is normally a high ticket offer. And while it's a sales pitch, it still contains a story arc that wraps up all the previous videos and demonstrates a transformation that you've taken the lead on and how your product will solve the pain or problem they're looking to resolve. When done well, it's an incredibly successful method that has produced some of the biggest sales launches in the online industry. It does require some work, but it's very effective. I've used this formula a few times in my money management and investing business with great results. Okay, so the second method of selling high ticket offers involves what I'm going to call going from low to high. What I mean by that is you start with a simple offer. It might be a free ebook or something, maybe a $7 product, and then using your funnel, you build through a process from low ticket to high ticket offers. This is a little slower than the PLF style, but is just as effective. In this process, you're building the know, like, and trust over a period of time. Your customer is using some of your low ticket offers, hopefully getting some results, and building up to using your higher ticket offers. Now, if you do this well, there will be a natural progression from your low ticket offers up to your higher ticket. That is, your initial offer will get them started, solve some problems, and then, as is normal in life, you solve one problem and another one appears. So you have something to help them solve that problem as well. Now, this is the real beauty of a product ladder. You build out your ladder to have products that solve problems along their journey. This is what we do with our affiliate and online marketing offers. Now, I don't want to overwhelm a customer, so I give them something to get started and get into the business. And this way they can see if it's what they really want to do. And then if it is, there are more tools and resources that we can offer to help them solve different problems they'll encounter when growing a business online. And the beauty of this method is that you're only putting your offers in front of people who want and need what you have. You're eliminating the people that are never going to buy from you right up front. Think of it as a screening mechanism that saves you time and energy. Pretty cool, right? Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and revealed how you can get started with selling high ticket offers in your online business to achieve your financial goals. And let's do a quick recap of today's training. So first, I want to make sure that you've got high ticket offers in your product ladder. Second, high ticket offers enable you to fund your advertising and therefore your growth. And then you can sell your high ticket offers using one of two methods, either the product launch formula style of 4 videos or the low to high funnel system. If you want to get started with a system that will support you to grow an online business, selling other people's products to start with, click the link below to get personal training and support from me and access to a system that has thousands of people making a laptop lifestyle income. Thanks for watching today's training, and if you're ready to start your online business and would like help to grow that business, then click the link and let's get you started with me and earning an income in the next 30 days with my personal support and guidance that you won't get anywhere else. To continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. And do me a favor, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you think of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to everyone. I want to hear from you and know whether this training was useful for you. And don't forget, to get started, click the link below to join me and my mentor in starting your affiliate marketing business and have you earning an income in the first 30 days.